Hi, are you a Gen Zer? If you are, this video is for you. Even if you're not a Gen Zer, this video also would work for you, of course. But why I specifically am mentioning Gen Z is I've been having a lot of first-time home buyers who fall into that category of being a Gen Z. Gen Z is ages 13 to 28. And so I have a lot of clients lately that are 21 to 28 years of age that have been reaching out to get pre-qualified for a mortgage. And so it just got me to thinking, a lot of these buyers are still living at home, but are wanting to get out and own a home, which I think is fantastic. But what came to me was they're living at home, and in some cases they're saving up money for down payment. In other cases they aren't. Now, I got to thinking about this, and if you are going to move out and live somewhere, you're probably looking at paying anywhere from maybe $1,400 to $2,000 for rent, and even that might be a little bit conservative, but you're definitely going to be paying somewhere in that range to rent an apartment today. So if that's the case, and if you're living at home, why not pay yourself rent for the next 12 months? And what I mean by that is if you take $1,000 a month and you put it into an account and you call it your rent account, you put that in there every month, at the end of 12 months, you're gonna have $12,000. $12,000 is gonna allow you to have enough of a down payment to do an FHA loan, 3.5% down, for about a $350,000 home. Now, if you're able to save a little bit closer to that $1,500, let's say you're able to put $1,500 a month away, well, now you're going to have $18,000 saved up over a year. $18,000 utilizing FHA financing, 3.5%, is going to allow you to buy a house up to like $515,000. Now, of course, that's just the down payment. You still have to qualify from a payment perspective, debt to income perspective, etc. But my point here is that a lot of times down payment is the one thing that is preventing a lot of people from getting into homes. And while yes, there are down payment assistance programs and things like that, I have mentioned on previous videos how those also have some cons to them in terms of higher costs and higher rates, etc. So this is a way that you can avoid needing down payment assistance, save up your own down payment, and just start getting disciplined about making a monthly payment. And like I said, pay yourself rent. Put it into an account every month without fail, just like you would have to if you moved out and moved into an apartment. So listen, I hope you found this information helpful. If you did, please do me a favor, subscribe to our page here. If you know of anyone who's thinking about buying and this information would be helpful to them, please feel free to forward it to them. And as always, you can always reach out. You can always call us, text us. We're always here to answer your questions, see how we can help you get into a home. Thank you so much. Have a great day. We'll talk to you soon. Bye-bye.